In this lesson, we are drawing a cosine curve from 0 degrees all the way to 360 degrees, stepping in 90-degree increments, so we can see the full wave pattern of cos. First, we build a table of the key angles and cosine values. We will reference this table while plotting the graph. Now, read the table row by row. At 0 degrees, cosine equals 1. At 90 degrees, cosine equals 0. At 180 degrees, cosine equals -1. At 270 degrees, cosine returns to 0. Finally, at 360 degrees, cosine comes back to 1. With our table ready, let's draw the coordinate axes. The horizontal axis will measure angles from 0 to 360 degrees, and the vertical axis will measure cosine values between -1 and 1. Now, we plot each key point from the table. We start at 0 degrees with cosine equal to 1. Then 90 degrees gives 0. At 180 degrees, cosine reaches -1. At 270 degrees, cosine is 0 again. Finally, at 360 degrees, cosine returns to 1. The cosine curve runs smoothly through all those points, starting at 1, dropping to -1, and returning to 1 across the 360-degree span. Notice the wave begins at the highest point, descends through 0, reaches the bottom, and rises back to the top by the end of the revolution, showing the periodic nature of cosine. To summarize, we use the table values spaced at 90 degrees to plot points and connect them with the smooth cosine curve, revealing how cosine oscillates between 1 and -1 over a full period.